Hey, Shawnee from SpeedCubeReview.com. I've got a couple 10-year anniversary GAN cubes, and that feels like not enough time. Like, GAN's been around longer than 10 years, so what does this 10-year represent? I mean, has it been? I started cubing over 10 years ago.
A long time ago.
And there were GAN cubes then. Actually, could someone clarify that for me? I'm gonna do both of these. Let's check these out. These should be available right now on SpeedCube Shop. I waited, I've had these for a couple weeks now, and I know other people have done videos already, and I waited because I want to wait till it was available so you don't see it, and then I get these slew of comments of,
when is it going to be released?
Because I don't know that stuff. I'm not a shop.
This isn't a store at all. It's an art installation.
Let's start with the 2x2, the 251M Air. I use the 251 for competitions. Really nice bag. And this has that transparent plastic. Actually, on a similar note, I assumed this is not legal in competition, but things keep changing. Ooh, there we go. Things keep changing, and since I guess I can see colors through there. I'm assuming this is not. Very crunchy feel. Wow. I have not used a 2x2 out of a box in a long time. Super smooth. We've got some tension going on here. What are we looking at? Is there other things we can adjust? No, it's just that. Just the depth. And 0.6 is fine. Very crunchy. Definitely need some lubrication to get rid of that. But the 251, it's a good size. I don't like 50 millimeter or 49 millimeter that GAN originally did. And it's a good angles, meaning if it's too rounded, the puzzle feels almost bubbly and hard to hold on to. But let's just solve this real quick. So, see here. It's been a while. Actually, I'm not going to speed solve. I'm going to, oh god, I almost lost that. Okay, one side's done. And CLL. Fantastic. Okay. We've got that stand with the core on this. So that core looks different than the other one. Did it have magnet slots when I had one in the past? So much sparkly box. Okay, so these are the walls for this. I messed up last time because oh, wow. Did they remake all of these? Or have they just had a stockpile? This is giving me such classic feels. I remember back in my day, you would get red, orange, clear, and yellow. I believe that was the order. The clear was just kind of the standard ones. And then people were like, oh, they want them looser. So then they came out with green, blue, and purple. And then they just stopped making the tighter ones. What do we got in here? Wait, is this the same puzzle? I thought this was going to be a 3x3. Why did a 2x2 come out of this? Oh, it's the 251M Leap. I don't know the difference between the Air and the Leap. Well, this one, okay, different from this. This one is sparkly. Different screw set. So right now, the blue is in there. And if we go by tensions, I believe it'd be clear, green, blue, purple. Okay, oh, so you can do more. This has core magnets, while this one, I'm guessing, doesn't. Yeah, for sure. Oh, I can feel that push. There we go. That's the difference. Core magnets. You can adjust the center travel. There's two settings, 0.6 and 0.8. 0.6 is tighter because that's the distance. Tension, there's 4 settings. How tight the cube feels while turning, and then magnet strength. Can you adjust the magnet strength? Yes, you can. Wow. Okay, the Leap has a lot of settings on this. Clear, green, blue, purple. Okay, so clear is the tightest. So I actually used the version 1 for a long time just because I was used to it. I think now that it's been a lot of years, I can be more comfortable with the core magnets. Anyways, this makes me want to pull out the regular one and try that. Lovely puzzle. You get a ton of stuff with it. You get a little stand. I might as well just put this all together. We've got the time, mainly because I can speed up videos. But these all have protective film over it, and I didn't know that last time, and I ended up just thinking it was super foggy looking, but it's so hard to get this film off. There's film on there that needs to be peeled off, but you get a little clear case for this to display. My old one's somewhere. I don't know if it's still up here. I brought it to the rest of the cube stash. We have cards in here. We get a bag. All that fun stuff. And a case with this one. Anyways, this is all available. They're fun puzzles. Not competition legal, I'm assuming. But some fun puzzles. You get GAN if you want GAN with it. You get sparkles if you want sparkles with it. You get all the tension settings, everything you can mess around with, which I absolutely love. If you want something more basic, you can just get this one. But these are the 10th anniversary editions. I guess 10th anniversary from the release of their 2x2? That could be it. Maybe? Possibly? Doesn't seem right. Well, anyways, thank you very much for watching. Hit like, subscribe for more content like this in the future. And as always, keep following Speed Cube Review for more news and reviews.